Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix battery percentage not showing on your Samsung Tab A11. So, sometimes it's not available for some devices to show the battery percentage, but this one actually supports it. So, let's go over to the settings and I'll show you where to find it. So now we are in the main page of the settings. We want to scroll down until we see the battery, and right here in the battery, as you guys can see, we have 42% available. So this is the first way on how to find your battery percentage. Now let's scroll down, and here you will have the show battery percentage. So as you guys can see, we have the 42% right here. Whenever we leave the app and enter, let's say, control center, we still can see it. So it's not available on some devices, it's available for this one. So this is how to do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.